The beginning of the week brings plenty of flavor to the Kitchen Concepts kitchen. What kind of flavor? Well, Italian, of course.
That's because it's Mamma Mia Monday, and Chef Joe Bellia from Joe's La Roma joins us. He's got another authentic recipe to share.
I do. I got some salmon today. You guys like salmon?
I love salmon.
So we have this. This is one of the dishes we do actually on our menu, and we're gonna do it one pan real quick. So we got a little piece of fresh Atlantic salmon. Put a little bit of the seasoning on it, and we'll put it face down right into this pan.
And it's no skin.
No skin. Skin off on this one.
Okay. And what's in the seasoning?
So it's a little bit of salt and pepper, a little bit of lemon pepper, a little saffron.
Okay.
I'm just gonna let it brown on one side for about 2 minutes. In the meantime, Steve, if you don't mind, chop up some mushrooms for me.
All right.
I'm gonna throw those right in.
Sounds good.
And while you're doing that, I'm gonna grab these capers, get them rolling.
Now, we were talking before the camera started. Steve actually asked you, what are capers? And I thought, I have no idea
They're
either.
actually berries.
They're berries.
Yeah, they are. Add a little bit of saltiness, a little bit of the bitter that you want to give you a little flavor.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Watch your fingers there.
I see them.
He does that
I got
all
9
the time.
more. And then maybe a little bit of tomato.
All right.
So this is an easy dish. You can do one frying pan at home. You just need the simple ingredients here. Like I said, we do have this on our menu.
Yeah. You know what makes it easier? Is just going
to the restaurant?
to the restaurant
Right,
and having
right.
it served to you. Because
Right.
it's easy for you.
Yeah, I'm doing all the work here, Lisa.
Yeah.
You
I
got
know,
all
I know.
pieces
And
today.
and that's why it's easy for me. He's doing all the work.
Yeah, you didn't assign me anything.
So you can do this with any local fish too. We get a lot of sea bass out of Chincoteague area.
Oh, yeah?
We can do this with, and flounder. It's great like that too. We started with about 2 ounces of butter on the bottom.
Yeah, you can smell the butter.
Add a little bit of, just a little bit of white wine.
You know, what's missing,
What's that?
there's no garlic.
There's no garlic today.
No garlic.
I'm glad you pointed that out because a lot of stuff that I do is with garlic, and you know how I say a little bit
A
of
little
garlic.
bit, and then he puts a whole mound of garlic in there.
Right. So today we're garlic free for everybody who's a vampire. There we go.
So if you're a vampire, this is the dish you want to order.
That's right. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of lemon. You can just squeeze a lemon right on top. This is a full lemon.
Yeah, you got the good grip strength there.
There you go.
Work out.
That works.
We'll just let this simmer for about 3 minutes, 3 or
About
4
3
minutes.
minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, then we'll just take a break while it's simmering, and when we come back, we are going to finish, and then taste the chicken piccata. Stick around, DelmarvaLife will be right back.
Believe it or not, our dish for Mamma Mia Monday contains no garlic whatsoever. But trust us, that doesn't mean it's lacking in the flavor department at all.
No, not at all. Here to prove that today is Chef Joe Bellia from Joe's La Roma. I said chicken piccata, but it's actually salmon.
Yeah, but to your point,
Yeah.
you could do chicken the same way.
Yes.
Piccata, we do ours a little different, but you could do it the same way. So
Yes. So during the break, you let that cook up a little bit. You added more wine, more butter.
You see, I add a little bit more butter, right? A little bit.
Little
A
bit.
little bit more wine, a little bit more butter, and just let it simmer.
Uh-huh.
You see where we flipped it, and it's got like a nice little coating on there, nice little char.
And it's thickened up a little
It
bit.
is.
Yep.
It has. So,
Now tell us about what you have on the plate here.
so I know you're very excited for this. So
I am.
These are sweet pea and caramelized onion ravioli that we bring in. They are really, really good high-end ravioli, and then next to it is our lobster ravioli. So I didn't know what your fancy was today, but let's see how this comes out. Let me see if I get my little spatula here, or my
Yeah, I got
tongs.
your
There
tongs.
you go. Click 'em.
Look at that.
So we're gonna just put this right here like this.
Oh, it's just falling apart.
Melt in your mouth, right?
Yes. That's the way we like it.
There we go. Gotta eat with your eyes first. So let's make it look pretty. This is what everybody needs in their life: a little more time.
No,
There we go.
You can never have
I'll
too
be here
much
all night.
time.
Try the veal. There
the
we go.
jokes are free today.
Oh my goodness, that's
You guys
right.
want to give that a
Okay.
little
There
try?
you go.
Yes, I would love to give that a
I can talk
try.
about tomorrow while you guys are eating.
Yes. What's
Absolutely.
happening
So on
tomorrow?
Wednesdays we have Dining with Denny. So our local artist Denny McLeod, he's done all our walls like we said before. He's going to do some painting on canvases while you're eating. Some people purchase them while they're eating, and then we can customize them while you're eating too. So we're doing that tomorrow. If you want to come in and see some art in front of you, kind of transformed from a canvas to art. We'll do that tomorrow.
Food and art.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, you used to have paint night. This is just a different spin on the
It's kind of like a plein air in a restaurant, right?
That's right. That's right. So then we also have the salmon on the menu, and then you know, we're a small restaurant, so I recommend a reservation. 56 seats. We're located right in Fruitland, and the owners, myself and my business partner Chris, are the owner operators. So I'll be in the kitchen, and Chris will be greeting people in the front. So
yeah.
Hope to see you. So I wanted to say, I get a lot of viewers from Delmarva
Yes, you do.
I do. Just recently got someone from Magnolia, Delaware, came for the first time, took a picture with me.
Aw, you're a star now.
Yeah. I gotta put my cart back when I go to the grocery store. But so he wants me to speak to their group. So I thought that was nice. I get a lot of nice viewers that come out and let me know they see me on the show. So
I see a lot of stuff on social media, people who go to Joe's La Roma, and I've never, ever seen anything negative. It's all positive.
I appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Yeah, well, hey, they're the ones. And of course, you know, I can attest to how good the food is.
The food does the talking, without
So
a doubt.
what did you think?
I thought the sweet pea was awesome. I've never had
Peas go good
before.
with the salmon there.
A piece of salmon.
A little sweet.
You mean you didn't try the lobster ravioli?
I haven't tried the lobster yet. I thought I was leaving those for you.
Well, there's 2 of each, so we can both have some.
Enjoy.
Yeah,
So
thank
good.
you so much. Joe's La
you.
Roma, located in Fruitland. So easy to find, just right there on Route 13. Stick around. DelmarvaLife will be right back.